anything is possible. It started with a dream.
Hello and welcome. Now this is a really exciting day today because Paper Pumpkin has arrived at the studio. This is only the second time that the UK have been able to have a Paper Pumpkin kit, but we have been assured there's going to be another one later in the year as well. That's going to be a global kit in a box. So let me take you down onto the craft table and we are going to have some fun opening this lovely box. So welcome to Paper Pumpkin. For those of you who didn't see my video last May, this is a subscription kit in the United States. It's been going for quite a while. This one here is called Box of Sunshine, and it was actually released in America in June 2020. So we are really lucky to be able to have this. We have a welcome flyer introducing the Box of Sunshine from Sarah. Now Sarah is the CEO of StampinupUk and she has inspired this kit. And you can see the picture here, and also the fact that on the back we have some mini Paper Pumpkin boxes. So in the annual catalogue, the 20 to 21 annual catalogue, we have some mini Paper Pumpkin boxes, and we can decorate those as we wish and deliver boxes of sunshine to anybody who needs their day brightened up. So on the top inside here we have the set of stamps. If I place that on a piece of white card, they might show up a little bit easier for you. So we have sunshine, we have you are loved, sending, hello, smile, a little something to brighten your day. We have a sun emblem here, and we have some texture effect. Also we have the basic black Stampin spot. Now this is absolutely pristinely wrapped. The tissue paper needs to be opened very carefully because again this is something you can reuse. So as I'm opening this now, can you see that whole lot of yellow inside there? So I'm going to take this pack out. It's all very exciting. And I'm going to very carefully fold that tissue paper back the way it came because I would like to reuse that. Okay, pop that to one side. So here is our kit.
Our passion made a difference and built a family. We've grown strong together, you know it's all because everybody plays a part.
Next we have some pop-out pieces. These are, there's 1, 2, 3, 5 pieces of this. So I'll pop those away. These are all pop-outable pieces. So you literally just pop those out like so and use those on your projects. They're made up, they're printed on card, so quite substantial. And those of you who like fussy cutting can actually fussy cut around the outside because they all have a border on them. So that's another little tip with those. So in addition to that, we then have 1, 2, these are quite thick. There's 2 sheets of this. So this is a black and white dotty effect. You have one side, these are all small strips. If I bend these, you'll be able to see the white between them and see how wide these are. These are just between my fingers there. So it's that wide and that long. Okay, and then this side you have 2 pieces. So again, there's a crack there. So this is all one piece. And these are, I believe these are adhesive. Yes, those are adhesive. Okay, so you have 2 sheets of those. Next we have a card. These are our card bases. So I'm just going to take those other middle pieces out. Oh, and we have some mini glue dots. You can go in the box as well. So if I just turn these around, these have all been alternated, I think. Okay, so we have 8 cards, as I said earlier. So we have 2 of the gold stripe. We have 2 of the red and yellow splatters, kind of like a watercolour, like the paint running. And then we have 2 of the, more like a sun emblem with the gold embossing, gold foil embossing. And then we have 2 yellow ones. Very similar to this design, but just a different texture. So there's our 8 card bases. Again, very good quality, nice and thick. I don't like flimsy cards. Then here we have, we've got a couple more here pieces here. We have, this is the actual label, this is adhesive. And the idea of this is that once you've finished with your kit and you've made all your projects up, you can actually take this off and put the label on the front here, and then use the tissue inside, and then you can re-gift that, fill it with some yellow goodies, and then you can gift that to someone whose day needs brightening up. Okay, so I'll pop that back over here. And the last piece I think we have here are some frames. So these are some punch-out frames. So these have got a gold foiled edge. So you have 5 of that size, and then you have 6 of the banners. So these are banners with a gold foil edging on either end. Okay, so that you can stamp your sentiments on here and decorate those on your cards or the outside of the box. That's just a piece of backing card. And then here we have the instructions on how to make up your cards. So this is the full box, the box of instructions, box of sunshine instructions in all the different languages. And as I said, it was a June 2020 product. We are excited to have them, even though we're a few months afterwards. If I bring this up to the camera, you can see the actual designs on the card. So this is how they decorated the box. They've put the label on there, and they've put some of the decorations on there and a banner. You have 2 cards with this design. You are free to use whatever layouts you like with these. You can copy 1 of each of these and then do 4 with your own designs. There is ample in this pack to make more cards as well. So this is the sun sort of centerpiece. This is the lemons and the black panel and the pineapple on there. So gorgeous designs. But then on the back, the instructions are inside how to make them. And then on the back here, we also have what your kit includes and the designs again, just as one graphic. And then here, there are some alternative designs. I'm just going to try and get this onto the camera. So you have alternative designs there as to what you can do with the contents in your kit. Okay, so I'm going to put those to one side. These are the mini paper pumpkin boxes. So if I bring this back over, this is your main paper pumpkin box. Just get that in camera. And then this is the mini. So this is the baby. Now Stampin' Up sell these, and they're in packs of 10. In the UK, they are £7. I'm not sure in all the other currencies. But they basically, for the UK residents, work out at 70p each. They are like the mini pizza boxes. They are shiny on the inside. They come flat packed. They are shiny on the inside, and they are food safe. So you could make some cookies and put it in there, and you could gift that to people. You could decorate it as yellow on the outside, whatever you want to do with that. But these are really good value, and love these. I've already got another pack here ready to play with. These are the note card and envelopes that Stampin' Up sell. They are slightly smaller than the standard cards, but they are beautiful to use. They are made from the Whisper White cardstock, a really nice, smooth and silky finish. And these come in a pack of 20. I will just show you how they come. This is the envelope with a nice rounded edge, and you'll see that that is the perfect size for the box. And if I score one of the cards in half, you'll see there is the card and envelope, and they will fit perfectly inside that box. Okay, I will be making alternative designs with these, and so there will be a follow-up video to this. This was just for my unboxing, but I just wanted you to be aware both of these items are in the catalogue, and I will put them in the description below this video as well. The box of sunshine you've just seen me unpack. The cost in the UK is £20, and everything is included to make 8 gorgeous cards and envelopes. Plus, you will still be left with the stamp set and the ink spot and many other embellishments left over to create some more cards. If you wish to be notified as soon as my follow-up video with the card samples and several alternative designs, then please hit the like and subscribe button below. so that you can be notified of future videos as they are released. My contact details will be at the end of the video and in the description below, together with the code number should you wish to purchase this through my 24/7 online store. Thanks again for joining me, and I hope to see you again here soon, especially for those follow-up designs made with the same materials that you have to hand. Thanks again, and enjoy the sunshine.